Today, shall we learn some better words to replace very? Before I tell, would you like to try? I'll give you some time. You try. If you don't know, listen and practice. Shall we try? Come on then. Very serious. Grave. Very busy. Bustling. Very talented. Gifted. Very surprised. Astonished. Very emotional. Overwhelmed. Very excited. Enthralled. Very difficult. Arduous. Challenging. Very easy. Effortless. Very unfriendly. Hostile. Very unique. Unprecedented. Very common. Pervasive. Very dishonest. Deceitful. Devious. Very anxious. Agitated. Very creative. Innovative. Very mundane. Routine. Very powerful. Potent. Very weak. Feeble. Very still. Motionless. Very dependable. Reliable. Very unreliable. Erratic. Very curious. Inquisitive. Very indifferent. Apathetic. Very polite. Courteous. Very impolite. Rude. Very secretive. Covert. Very honest. Sincere. Very content. Satisfied. Very dedicated. Committed. Very comfortable. Cozy. Very clean. Spotless. Very informal. Casual. Very modern. Contemporary. Very old-fashioned. Outdated. How many could you try? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with others, and be waiting for my next video. Bye-bye.